Hey guys, Jack here with TrailRax. Thank you for joining me today here at Overland Expo SoCal. Today is March 15th, the first day of Overland SoCal, but also the first day of our Bronco giveaway, the Bronco Wildlander giveaway. So if you want more details on that, you can find that at TrailRax.com. You have until August 25th in order to enter the giveaway, and the winner will be announced on August 27th. So get your entries in and get a chance to win the Bronco Wildlander. I'll walk you around the two vehicles we have in our booth today. We are debuting our brand new Ranger Raptor roof rack. It also works for the other Rangers as well, not just the Raptor, but a unique part about the Ranger is going to be that it is a completely bolt-on design, no required drilling or modification to your vehicle in order to install the TrailRax roof rack for the Ranger. Also, on the other side of the booth here, as we walk over, we also have the Grenadier, one of the new vehicles here in 2025. We also have our full-length Grenadier roof rack, and yes, the full length does work with the Safari windows if you're wondering, but you also can option for just the 3/4 rack, which makes it super easy to only carry the gear that you need and not too much. Thank you for joining me today at Overland Expo SoCal. This is our new booth here. If you want to see us more, you can go to TrailRax.com, go to our blog post, and you'll see all the shows that we're going to this year and links to buy tickets. But if you want to see some cool stuff as well, go to our Instagram at TrailRax, Facebook, YouTube, subscribe to us, follow us, and you can see us move around the world.